Welcome to my channel Daily Exams Preparation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
What is the main function of a blockchain? Answer A. To allow safe and tamper-proof record keeping. Blockchain is a digital record that is stored across many computers. It keeps track of transactions safely. Once data is added, it can't be changed easily. This makes the records trustworthy and clear. How does blockchain differ from the internet? Answer A. Blockchain stores shared records, internet shares information. The internet helps us share information easily. A blockchain allows us to securely exchange value or keep safe records. It keeps a verified and unchangeable record of transactions. But just using the internet doesn't mean we can trust everything without checking. Which element is a fundamental building block of a blockchain? Answer A. Block. Blockchain is made of blocks linked together. Each block has data, a timestamp, and a special code called a cryptographic hash. These blocks are connected in order, creating a secure and unchangeable record called an immutable ledger. What is a hash function used for in blockchain? Answer B. To generate cryptographic identity for a block. A hash is like a digital fingerprint for data. It helps keep the data safe from changes. If even a tiny part of the data is changed, the hash will be different. This makes sure the data stays accurate and secure in the blockchain. Which feature makes blockchain resistant to data tampering? Answer A. Immutability. Immutability means once data is saved, it can't be changed easily. Cryptographic hashes help keep the data secure. The records stay clear and trustworthy. This is very important for fields like finance and healthcare. What is the role of a consensus mechanism in blockchain? Answer A. To ensure all participants agree on ledger updates. Consensus helps build trust without needing a boss. It uses methods like proof of work and proof of stake. These make sure transactions are safe and correct. Without consensus, a blockchain can't work properly. Which blockchain platform introduced the concept of smart contracts? Answer A. Ethereum. Ethereum is a platform that lets people create smart contracts. These are agreements that automatically work when certain conditions are met. They help automate many tasks, not just payments. Who founded the Ethereum blockchain? Answer A. Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin came up with Ethereum in 2013. It officially launched in 2015. Ethereum is more than just for payments. It allows for programmable contracts. It also helps run decentralized apps called dApps. Which of the following is a public blockchain? Answer A. Bitcoin. Public blockchains are open to everyone. Anyone can join and check transactions. Examples are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They aim to be transparent and decentralized. What is a major use of private blockchains in businesses? Answer A. Internal record keeping. Private blockchains are special networks where only certain people can join. They are good for things like shipping, banking, and healthcare. These networks keep information private, give control to specific users, and work quickly. Which type of transaction validation does Bitcoin use? Answer A. Proof of work. Proof of work means using computers to do hard puzzles. Miners solve these puzzles to verify transactions. This makes it hard and expensive for bad actors to attack. Bitcoin has used this method since it started. Which programming language is commonly used for Ethereum smart contracts? Answer A. Solidity. Solidity is a programming language made for creating smart contracts. Its style is similar to JavaScript. It runs on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Many developers use Solidity to build decentralized apps, or dApps. Which component links blocks together in blockchain? Answer A. Hash value of previous block. Each block keeps the hash of the one before it. This links all the blocks in a chain. Because of this, it's very hard to change anything without changing the whole chain. This makes the record secure and tamper-proof. What is the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM? Answer A. A decentralized runtime for executing smart contracts. The EVM is like a tiny computer inside Ethereum. It runs smart contracts, making sure they work the same way every time and stay secure. This helps run decentralized apps, or dApps. Which sector first widely adopted blockchain? Answer A. Financial services. Blockchain started mainly in banking and payments. It helps lower costs and makes things clearer. People use it for sending money across countries and settling transactions. Over time, it also began to be used in supply chains, healthcare, and other areas. In a blockchain, which data structure ensures linking between blocks? Answer A. Hash pointer. A hash pointer keeps the hash of the previous block. It links blocks securely and stops anyone from changing past records. This makes the blockchain strong and unchangeable. What does a node represent in a blockchain network? Answer A. A participant's computer connected to blockchain. Nodes are devices that run blockchain software. They hold a copy of the blockchain ledger, check transactions, and share them with others. Some nodes also help agree on the correct transactions. Which property makes blockchain technology decentralized? Answer A. Data is stored across multiple participants. Decentralization means there's no single boss. Everyone keeps a copy of the records. This way, the system is safer and more trustworthy because no one can control everything. Which of the following best describes a smart contract? Answer A. A self-executing agreement stored on blockchain. A smart contract is a digital agreement that automatically does what it promises when certain rules are met. It works without middlemen and runs safely on the blockchain. Which consensus mechanism is energy efficient compared to proof of work? Answer A. Proof of stake. Proof of stake means validators lock up coins. This uses less energy. It picks validators randomly based on how many coins they lock. It's a more eco-friendly alternative to proof of work. Which of the following is an advantage of using blockchain in supply chain management? Answer A. Transparency and traceability. Blockchain keeps track of every step in the supply chain. It makes it clear for everyone involved. This helps prevent fraud and fake products. It also makes consumers trust where the product comes from. In blockchain, what is a Genesis block? Answer A. The very first block in a blockchain. The first block in a blockchain is called the Genesis block or block 0. It is the very start of the chain. It is created by hand when the blockchain begins. Since it's the first, it doesn't point to any previous block. Which role do miners perform in the Bitcoin blockchain? Answer A. Validate and add new transactions to the ledger. Miners solve tricky puzzles to confirm transactions. They add these transactions to the blockchain. For their work, they earn new coins and fees. They also help keep the network safe. Which feature makes blockchain useful for financial transactions? Answer A. Transparency and security. Blockchain is a technology that keeps digital records safe. It makes sure payments can't be changed or messed with. All transactions are visible and can be checked easily. This helps to reduce fraud in banks and other financial places. What is the major difference between public and private blockchains? Answer A. Public is open to anyone, private is restricted. Public blockchains are open and everyone can join. They are decentralized, meaning many people participate. Private blockchains are controlled by a specific group or organization. Public ones are transparent, so everyone can see what's happening. Private ones keep things private. People choose which to use based on their needs. Which of the following is a real-world use of Ethereum blockchain? Answer A. Decentralized applications, DApps. Ethereum lets people create decentralized apps, or DApps, that run on smart contracts. These apps work without a central boss. They are used in finance, gaming, and NFTs. Users connect through digital wallets. Which cryptocurrency was the first to use blockchain? Answer A. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It introduced the idea of blockchain technology. Bitcoin is a digital currency that people can send directly to each other. Its success started a worldwide interest in blockchain. In Ethereum, what is a gas fee? Answer A. Cost paid to execute transactions and smart contracts. Ethereum needs a fee called gas. This fee pays for using the computer and storage. You pay in Ether, its own currency. When more people use Ethereum, the gas price goes up. Which organization is responsible for supporting Ethereum development? Answer A. Ethereum Foundation. The Ethereum Foundation is a non-profit organization. It helps with research, development, and promotion of Ethereum. It also funds open source projects and helps the whole ecosystem grow. Which of the following is not a benefit of blockchain technology? Answer C. Centralized control. Blockchain is different from traditional systems because it doesn't rely on a central authority. Instead, it allows many people to trust and agree on the data together. It keeps records safe and transparent, so no one can change them later. Central control goes against how blockchain works. Which cryptographic technique secures data on blockchain? Answer A. Public key cryptography. Blockchain uses public and private keys to verify identities. It makes sure digital signatures are secure for transactions. Only the right keys can move assets. This creates a safe system without needing trust. Which Ethereum token standard is widely used for creating fungible tokens? Answer A. ERC-20. The ERC-20 standard is a set of rules for creating tokens that are all the same and can be swapped easily. These tokens are used a lot in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and stablecoins. They also form the foundation for many decentralized finance, DeFi, apps. What does the term immutability in blockchain mean? Answer A. Once data is added, it cannot be altered. Immutability means records stay the same forever. We use special codes called cryptographic hashes to keep them secure. This stops anyone from changing the data unfairly. As a result, the data stays accurate and cannot be tampered with. What is the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum? Answer A. Ether, ETH. Ether, ETH, is the currency of Ethereum. You need it to pay for transactions and fees. It also acts as a way to save value. Plus, it helps run applications on the network. Which sector can use blockchain to ensure patient record security? Answer A. Healthcare. Healthcare benefits when patient records are secure and unchangeable. It allows hospitals to share data safely. This prevents unauthorized access and makes people trust digital medical systems more. Which feature safeguards blockchain against a single point of failure? Answer A. Decentralization. Decentralization means sharing data across many nodes. This way, if one node fails, the whole system doesn't crash. It makes the system stronger, safer, and harder for attackers to break. Which Ethereum upgrade shifted from proof of work to proof of stake? Answer A. The merge. In 2022, Ethereum made a big change called the merge. It switched from a system called proof of work, which uses a lot of energy, to proof of stake. This change helps Ethereum be more eco-friendly. It was an important step in Ethereum's growth. Which blockchain type is best suited for government identity systems? Answer A. Permissioned blockchain. Permissioned networks let only certain people access them. They keep information private and follow rules. They're good for storing sensitive identity data. Governments like them because they help control and regulate information. What is the maximum supply limit of Bitcoin? Answer A. 21 million. Bitcoin has a limit of 21 million coins. This makes it scarce, like digital gold. It helps stop inflation from getting out of control. New coins are created slowly through a process called mining rewards. Which of the following is a use case of blockchain in voting systems? Answer A. Secure digital elections. Blockchain makes elections secure and trustworthy. It helps prevent cheating and allows people to verify results. It also makes voting possible from anywhere and keeps everything transparent. Which of the following is a limitation of blockchain technology? Answer A. Scalability challenges. Blockchains can handle only a few transactions each second. Researchers are working on ways like sharding to make them faster. When lots of people use the network, it can slow down and cost more. This makes it harder for many people to start using blockchain technology easily. Which process adds a new block to the blockchain? Answer A. Mining validation. New blocks are added through a process called consensus. In proof of work, this is called mining. In proof of stake, validators confirm the new blocks. This process keeps the blockchain secure and trustworthy. Which Ethereum token standard is used for non-fungible tokens, NFTs? Answer A. ERC 721. ERC 721 is a standard for NFTs. Each token is one of a kind and can't be split. People use it for digital art, collectibles, and game items. It helped make NFTs very popular on Ethereum. Which is an example of a blockchain application in the food industry? Answer A. Tracking food origin and safety. Blockchain makes supply chains transparent. Big stores like Walmart use it to keep food safe. It helps find where problems start fast. This makes customers trust the quality more. What is the block reward in blockchain? Answer A. Incentive given to miners validators for block addition. Miners get a reward for helping keep the blockchain safe. This reward is made up of new coins and fees from transactions. It encourages people to support the network. Over time, the reward gets smaller because of a process called halving. What is meant by a permissionless blockchain? Answer A. anyone can join and participate without approval. Permissionless blockchains let anyone join and participate. Examples are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are open and transparent, meaning everyone can see what's happening. There's no single person in charge. Which of the following best explains a block header? Answer A. Metadata containing block hash and previous hash. Each block has a header that stores important information like the time, a special number called a nonce, and a Merkle root. It also links to the previous block, which helps keep the whole chain consistent and secure. Which property of blockchain helps remove intermediaries in business processes? Answer A. Trustless transactions. People can do business directly with each other without needing a middleman. Blockchain makes this possible by being transparent and helping everyone agree. It also saves time and money when trading across countries. Overall, it makes business faster and easier between individuals. What is the purpose of a Merkle tree in blockchain? Answer A. Efficient verification of transaction data. A Merkle tree organizes transactions using hashes. It helps verify data quickly with less information. It also saves storage space and makes the system more secure and reliable. Which is a common business benefit of adopting blockchain? Answer A. Reduced fraud and improved transparency. Blockchain keeps records safe and unchangeable. It makes businesses more responsible. It saves money by cutting out middlemen. It also builds trust with customers because everything is clear and open.
Thanks for watching and your support. Comment your score, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.